Good morning, children. I have given you the homework. Do the checkpoint. I hope you have done it. Now I am going to explain you the importance of estimation. The idea of an amount or the quantity of the something is called the estimation. We do not require the exact measurement of thing always. Sometimes estimation of an amount solve our purpose. Some example of each situation are: while planning a trip, we estimate the cost, time, and distance. While cooking, we estimate the quantity of ingredient. The idea of accurate measurement help in making a close estimation. Now, motion. Children, before I explaining motion, you know what is motion? When an object changes its position with respect to its surrounding, or when an object changes its position with respect to time, the object is said to be in motion. For example, car or bus moving on a road, an ant crawling on the floor, an aeroplane is flying in the sky, all are in the motion. On the other hand, when the position of an object does not change with respect to surrounding, it is said to be at rest. For example, a house and all the furniture lying in the house are at rest. To know whether an object in the state of rest or motion, we need to fix a point, also known as reference point. For example, if we stand near the window of our house, you see a boy walking. Boy is in the state of motion with respect to your house, so your house is in reference point. Rest and motion. Imagine yourself sitting in a train and looking outside the window. You see the tree, field, and some station and other train changing their position. Thus you are in the motion with respect to them, but you do not change the position with respect to other passenger. Therefore, in relation to the passenger, you are in the state of rest. Thus, we can conclude that object being in the state of rest with respect to one object in the state of motion with respect to of other. Type of motion. We have noticed the motion of many objects. They are all different from each other. A car moves on the road in a straight line or move on a road. An athlete run on a curved track, spinning top, spin round, and the string of guitar move to and fro, moving of the fan, etc. We categorize the motion in the different type. We have discussed in the next class. I hope you understand what I have explained you. In next class, I explain you the different type of motion. Now you read lesson nicely. If you have any problem, ask the question. Thank you and have a nice day.